Welcome to the Delaware Mortgage Rate Weekly Update for the week of July 9th, 2012. Hello, I'm John Thomas with Primary Residential Mortgage, here to give you your update. Well, we saw on Friday, they released the Bureau of Labor Statistics released a jobs report. Very disappointing report, expecting at least 100,000 jobs to be created for June 2012. The report came in only at 80,000 jobs. What that did to the bond market, if you look at the bond page on your screen, you can see stock market sold off on the news, money dropped into the bond market, so the bond market rallied and pushed to a new all-time record high for the bond price, which in turn translated into all-time record low mortgage rates. So we set another all-time record low on Friday, July 6th for mortgage rates. So again, we're going to recommend you lock in your mortgage rate right now. Take advantage of this all-time record low rate. Lock it in whether you're purchasing or refinancing in the next 30 days. Take advantage because the market could move this week and we could see them come off the all-time historic lows. So if we look into that report, we dig into that report a little more. They also revised April and May numbers and said 1,000 less jobs were created between the 2 months than actually originally was reported. If you look at unemployment rate in the report, held at 8.2%, which it was last month, so we're not knocking that down. And then if you look at the labor participation rate, it was 63.8%. That's at a 31-year low. That's the number of people actually still looking, participating, trying to find work. They have not stopped looking, and stuff like that. So we got to get that labor participation rate up because it's affecting the economy. The gross domestic product is at 2%, which is not enough to grow this economy. If we look at the jobs first quarter to second quarter, first quarter we created on average each month 200,000 jobs. Second quarter we only created 75,000 jobs. So the economy is really sputtering. We need some help here to get things going, but in terms of mortgage rate, all of that and the news out of Europe has really helped mortgage rates set another record all-time low. So definitely want to get out there. Now, what this is going to do, these bad labor reports are actually got the Federal Reserve on notice here, so their tool to stop this and help stimulate the economy is another round of what they call QE3, quantitative easing. That's buying bonds and treasuries to help stimulate the economy. If they announce in September at their next Federal Reserve meeting they are going to institute QE3, that would hit mortgage rates and we'd see them start to tick up because that's bad news for the dollar and for mortgage rates. So that's why now is a great time to get out there, get under contract, lock in your rate, or lock up that refinance. Now, in national news, we also saw that last week that Congress finally passed a 5-year reauthorization of the National Flood Insurance Program, stopped the Band-Aids have been doing for the last 4 years, so that's great news, and NAR was one of the big supporters that got that bill passed. So the President was supposed to sign that July 6th into law, so that was great news. In the local news, Delaware Bill HB 166, which was to waive the state transfer tax when a first-time homebuyer buys real estate in Delaware, did not make it in time to be on the House's bill to vote. So didn't make it, but should be on the next session, so hopefully we'll look through that. So definitely stay in touch with your representative to make sure that gets on the next bill and make sure they vote for it. Let's see. And in other local news, we have the next free first-time homebuyer seminar. That is Saturday, July 21st in Newark at the Christiana Hilton Hotel. 2 sessions to choose from, 10 a.m. to noon, and again from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. You also get homebuyer counseling credit for attending either one of those. So go ahead and register by calling 302-703-0727, or you can register online, www.delawarehomebuyerSeminar.com. And then we have one in Dover coming up too. That's Tuesday, July 24th. That's at the Dover Sheraton right there on Route 13. And that's from 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Again, you can register giving us a call, 302-703-0727, or online, DelawareHomebuyerSeminar.com. Again, if you are looking to refinance, take advantage of these unbelievable low rates, you can give us a call. There's a bunch of programs to help you out. FHA Streamline, if you have an FHA loan, no appraisal, no income check. Great program, just drops your rate. VA loan, they have a VA IRL Streamline. Again, may not need an appraisal, no income check. And then Congress just came out with these other programs called the HARP, which is Homeowner Affordability Refinance Act. And what that's doing is if you have a conventional loan, we may be able to refinance you even if you owe more than your house is worth. So give us a call, 302-703-0727, or apply online, www.prmidelaware.com. Look forward to seeing you next week.